Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Gardenscapes app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Gard guard is space up or just click on search, then here add it here. So add garden space up, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for soap, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.